Hello guys. Tungkol pa rin ito guys sa payag ni FPRRD kasi galit na galit siya sa nangyari kay gobernador doon sa Davao del Norte. Sinuspindi na wala man lang due process of law. So ano ba itong due process of law guys? So, tingnan natin dito sa Philippine Constitution natin. Article 3 of Section 1 says, no person shall be deprived of life, property, or liberty without due process of law, or not any person shall be denied the equal protection of law, guys. So therefore, meron talagang due process of law. Sabi dito sa ating Philippine Constitution. Itong nangyari kay Gob, na violate na ang kanyang right, is human rights of due process, guys. Just think about it. Nangyari ito kay gobernador. How much kaya sa ating na mahihirap lamang? Look at what happened to SMNI. Nawala ng freedom of speech. What is this freedom of speech, guys? It's the right to speak, right and share ideas, opinion, without facing punishment by the government. Tapos itong freedom of expression, guys. Your voice matters. You have the right to say what is in your mind. Share information, and the right to agree or disagree. Those in power, guys, how to express this opinion in a peaceful protest. So, meron talaga tayong freedom, guys. Bakit pipigilan tayo ng gobyerno, guys, to express our sentiments, ating mga hinaing, ating saloobin doon sa gobyerno natin, guys. So dito na lang, guys. Salamat.